Hello and welcome back to my RC channel. I'm AndyRC and today I'm going to be flying my Eurofighter Typhoon with head tracking on board with the original DJI Air unit. Okay, so here we are aboard Eurofighter. Let's see if it flies. We're in the air. Gear up. Okay. Aiming for the patch. Let's go for a roll. Okay, so this is 60 grams of tail weight, and it's much better, much better. Go for a roll. And come low, do a turn to the right. It sounds good. So barrel roll. I go for a vertical. Let's try inverted. Yeah, that's nice. It's way better now, it's not nose heavy. It's still a fast machine. Let's see if we can find out where the stall is. Okay, now I'm gonna come in for a landing. And we're down. And breathe. I went for a landing there because my voltage read quite low, but it's gone back up now. Anyway, better to be safe. Oh, I forgot to put my speed brake up. So, there you go. That is my flight with the Eurofighter Typhoon from Freewing. If you have any questions, then please put them in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, thanks so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe. Cheers!